Konnichiwa, minasan. Ms.P です。Hello everyone, I'm Ms.P. Today I'm going to show you how to solve critical thinking problem in 3 ways. Actually, I'm going to show you my students' 3 different solutions. And I was super happy to see that my students solve the same problem in different ways. So student A is using guess and check, and student B is using the remainder theorem, and student C is using synthetic division. So let's get started. So now I'm going to show you 3 solutions of my students to solve this critical thinking problem. So find the value of k as x cubed minus 2x squared plus kx plus 6 divided by x plus 2 has remainder 8. So we have to find the value of k, and we know the remainder is 8. So first of all, I'm going to show you student A's solution, which is guess and check applying synthetic division. And this student was the first student to solve this problem. So first of all, we have to write down the coefficients of f of x. So f of x is x cubed minus 2x squared plus kx plus 6. So coefficients are 1, negative 2, and k. But this student use guess and check, so this is blank, and 6. So 6 is coefficient? No, this is constant number. However, we're going to include it, okay? So now I'm going to make a box, and then we have to put some number here, which is the value of x of the divisor as it is equal to 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0, and x value is negative 2. So we're going to use negative 2 here. So what we have to do next, we always have to bring down the first number here. So this time it's 1, but it depends on the problem. This number is going to be a different number. So and now we're going to multiply negative 2 and 1. So negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. We're going to put over here. And then we're going to add these 2 numbers. Negative 2 plus negative 2 is negative 4. And then we're going to multiply these 2 numbers, negative 2 and negative 4, which is positive 8. So we're going to add this unknown number and 8. However, we don't know the result, so we're going to make this blank. And then same thing as here, we're going to multiply negative 2 and this unknown number. We don't know the result here, so we're going to make this blank too. But we know the remainder is 8, so we're going to put 8 over here. So this is the remainder. So basically we're going to think backwards. So 6 plus unknown number here is positive 8. So we can say this is positive 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So same thing as here. Multiply negative 2 and unknown number here, which is going to be positive 2. So we can say this is negative 1, because negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. So same thing as here again. Unknown number here plus 8 is negative 1. So we can say this is negative 9. So negative 9 is actually the value of k. Okay, so we found k is equal to negative 9. So next student B student B applied the remainder theorem to find the value of k. So here's the remainder theorem. As f of x is divided by x minus a, f of a is the remainder. So x cubed minus 2x squared plus kx plus 6 is f of x, and the x plus 2 is x minus a, and f of a is the remainder, but we already know the remainder is 8. So the key is we are going to calculate remainder theorem f of a step by step. So first of all, we have to find the value of a. So we can do this way. X minus a is equal to x plus 2 is equal to x minus, because we have to change the sign from plus to minus because this is minus. So negative 2, and we know a is equal to negative 2. So f of a, the remainder f of a, is actually f of negative 2 this time. And basically we're going to plug negative 2 into x of f of x. So negative 2 cubed minus 2 times negative 2 squared plus k times negative 2 plus 6, and we're gonna organize this one. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8, so negative 2 squared is positive 4, and negative 2 times positive 4 is negative 8, and then k times negative 2 is negative 2k, and plus 6, and we're gonna organize this one. Negative 8 minus 8 plus 6 is negative 10, and minus 2k, and this is actually the remainder 8, and this is it. And then we have to solve for k. So what we have to do, we're going to add 10 to the both sides. So minus 10 plus 10 are gone, and minus 2k is equal to 8 plus 10 is 18. And then we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. And negative 2 are gone. And k is equal to 18 divided by negative 2 is negative 9. So we got the same answer. So next, student C, the solution. Student C applied synthetic division, but this student used letter K. So it's same thing as student A, but a little bit different. So we're gonna write down the coefficients first. So 1, negative 2, k, and 6. And then I'm going to make a box, and we're going to use the same number negative 2 here because the same divisor, right? And then we're going to bring down the first number here, and then we're going to multiply negative 2 and the 1, which is negative 2, and then we're going to add these together. Negative 2 plus negative 2 is negative 4, and then we're going to multiply negative 2 and negative 4, which is positive 8, and then we're going to add this unknown number k and 8, which is k plus 8, and then we're going to multiply negative 2 and k plus 8, which is negative 2k minus 16. So now we're going to add these two numbers. So negative 2k and 6 minus 16 minus 10. So this is actually the remainder 8. So I'm going to rewrite over here. Negative 2k minus 10 is equal to 8. And then this is the same calculation as here. We're going to add 10 to the both sides. And this are gone. And negative 2k is equal to 18. And divided by negative 2. And this are gone. And then k is equal to negative 9. So we got all the same answer. So that's it. Hello everyone, how was today's lesson? I hope today's lesson was very helpful, and also you're going to practice more and more to increase your critical thinking skills. So see you next time in math lesson. Bye!